Well, I would hope that you don't have to have the experience that I had. Very big event in my life. I wasn't with Municipal Group at the time. 2 friends of mine were killed. So I went to 2 funerals that week, and see grown men crying had a big impact on me. It sucked. It really sucked. And it made no sense. It was a lack of communication, and it cost them their lives. That's why safety is important to me.
It can be very dangerous. It's a dangerous business. It's a dangerous industry. We work with heavy equipment, trenches, highways with a lot of traffic.
The climbing, the pulling adjustments, constant vigilance, diligence really hits home the importance of safety.
The company is noted for its ability, its strengths, its efficiencies, its capability. And we want to establish ourselves in the same kind of a mark on the safety side of things.
In 2015, Municipal Group of Companies signed the Nova Scotia Safety Charter and make a commitment in the community and in the industry to safety. You've got to have a whole culture around safety where everyone's thinking about safety as part of everything they do.
Our employees know that production's important, and we push hard on production, but we can't produce if we don't work safely.
The get-her-done mentality is a bit archaic.
We have to have our guys take a breath and slow down. The guy's safety is the most important thing.
You know, I've never seen safety affect productivity.
Safety certainly can help improve production. It doesn't hinder it at all. It can actually complement the other one.
You're gonna have better production. You're gonna have better work techniques. Your workers are gonna be happier.
You can be safe and your productivity will go up.
Our safety department's grown significantly. They're there to work with us, not against us.
They're not Big Brother. It's to benefit them and to keep them safe.
And we need to use their knowledge to help us be set up better in the field.
But just because you have a safety department, it doesn't mean that you're safe. I think the onus is on everybody. That's important.
It's really important for us to look out for each other and keep each other safe. Let them know that there's hazards around us.
Share their responsibilities throughout the day and make sure that everything is done to the safest manner possible.
Our daily huddle, which is out now this year, is a significant improvement.
It's an opportunity for them to get together and share their ideas.
Understanding what they need, understanding the concerns.
And it gets the word spread around to everybody that's in the company.
Every executive meeting starts with safety on their agenda. Where we're at with safety, what can we do to improve, what trends are happening, what initiatives we need to push forward, what can the executives do to help them engage two-way communication.
Near miss is very, very important.
It's not a hit on your crew or how you work or your safety or anything. The bigger picture is you're helping out the company and you're helping out another group that could run into the exact same incident that without that knowledge could be a serious injury. If you see something, say something.
People are speaking out, correcting unsafe practices.
We're always radioing each other, giving them heads up if we see something out there.
If you can see it and if you don't mention nothing about it, then another person can walk into that exact same hazard.
Recently, we started using a safety software system, which allows us to do our inspections, report near misses, incident reports, various hazard assessments. It also allowed us to do site inspections on the job sites and then identify areas for corrective action.
I've noticed there's been a major shift. There's more buy-in to the safety culture, which we're promoting.
Everyone's doing their part. They're taking a moment to have a second look. Is there something here that can potentially harm me or be a hazard to me in some sort of way?
How can I get hurt here? What could I do safer? An awful lot more than just wearing a hard hat.
The culture is starting to be ingrained. We want safety to be second nature.
Now it's just part of their day. They've accepted it, it's just part of their job, and they have no issues with it.
We literally spend more time in the field at our jobs with our co-workers than we do our family. They are our second family.
We laugh, we joke, we have fun, but we do keep it safe so we can go home safe.
All employees, they all have to understand the importance of safety so they go home to their families at the end of the day.
Everybody wants to go home at the end of the day.
Everyone goes home at night.
Get everyone home safe.
We do want them to go home in one piece.
We want all our employees to go home.
Everybody's going home tonight. That should be paramount.
We'll never rest on our laurels. We got to continue to work really hard.
Striving to have 0 incidents and 0 accidents.
We're going to be a leader in our industry in safety.
We take seriously our responsibility to keep each other and the public safe on our jobs. Nothing is more important.